What if the geopolitical tectonic plates are shifting and long-standing relationships are being questioned and redefined? Welcome to the evolving narrative of Iran-Pakistan relations, a tale of two nations navigating the turbulent waters of international diplomacy. In the recent past, the relationship between these two nations teetered on the brink of collapse. Strained by airstrikes on alleged terrorist hideouts, the ties were stretched thin. But in the world of politics, every crisis is an opportunity for change. Enter Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi. In a meeting that was as much about mending fences as it was about charting a new course, the two leaders came together to address the elephants in the room, the contentious issues of Kashmir and Palestine. Sharif raised the Kashmir issue, a thorn in the side of Pakistan's international relations, while Raisi, on the other hand, focused on the Palestine issue, a matter of deep concern to Iran. Yet the dialogue was not confined to these issues. The conversation expanded to include various fields, from fighting terrorism to boosting trade. The meeting proved fruitful, with both nations agreeing to enhance cooperation in multiple areas. The leaders put ink to paper, signing several documents aimed at promoting collaboration. The commitment to strengthen relations was palpable, with both sides setting a lofty goal: to boost the trade volume to $10 billion. But the discussions didn't stop at trade and terrorism. They delved into the realms of religion, culture, diplomatic ties, investment, and security matters. In essence, the meeting was not merely a band-aid solution to a strained relationship, but a comprehensive blueprint for a stronger, more productive partnership. In summary, the recent meeting between Pakistan and Iran stands as a testament to the power of diplomacy and dialogue. It showcases the potential for positive change when nations choose to address their differences openly and work towards mutual benefit. The road ahead may be fraught with challenges, but the spirit of cooperation and the will to forge ahead could herald a new era for Iran-Pakistan relations. And so, the geopolitical landscape continues to shift, with each dialogue, each agreement, and each meeting. As the tale of Iran and Pakistan unfolds, one thing is certain. In the world of international relations, nothing remains static. So keep watching, keep questioning, and keep understanding, because the world is always in motion.